Gaoze gives full play to its innovation advantages and deeply integrates equipment R&D, automation, upgrading, and digital operation. In the shaping process, it has laid out core products including monocrystal ingot cropping machine, squaring machine, and grinding and polishing machine. It has built a closed-loop, full-process intelligent manufacturing covering silicon ingot cropping, squaring, grinding, and polishing, as well as logistics and warehousing. Both its standalone machine performance and whole production line adaptability rank among the industry's leading standards. The monocrystal ingot cropping machine is applied to the silicon ingot cutting process, adopting diamond loop wire cutting technology. The equipment supports parallel processing with multiple cutting heads and realizes automatic loading and unloading, automatic tool setting, and head and tail material collection. It features simple operation and can be quickly operated by new operators, delivering superior processing quality and high throughput. The machine supports flexible configuration of diverse automation options to greatly boost overall production efficiency. The monocrystal ingot squaring machine is designed for the silicon ingot squaring process. It adopts loop wire dual-station independent processing and realizes automatic wings collection, featuring with small dimensional tolerance and no chippings. The equipment intelligently optimizes and adjusts processing parameters automatically, boosting processing efficiency by 10% while maintaining superior processing quality. The monocrystal brick grinding and polishing machine is mainly applied to the surface grinding, polishing, and chamfering in silicon brick production. With core components adopting integral cast structure, the equipment delivers high machining precision and outstanding structural stability. It can adaptively adjust silicon brick posture to enhance feeding accuracy, optimize squaring dimension, and reduce C-curve loss by 20%. The integrated half-cut and grinding machine is a special-purpose equipment used to process finished ground silicon bricks into half-cut silicon bricks. It integrates cutting and grinding processes, greatly reducing material handling and idle waiting time. Featuring with high processing precision, large production capacity, and superior processing quality, the machine enables customers to rapidly deploy half-silicon brick production capacity and improve overall production efficiency. In addition to the above core equipment, Gaoze also offers supporting auxiliary equipment, including single-wire cropping machine, double-wire cropping machine, and round ingot and square brick recropping machine to meet customers' diverse process demands. Meanwhile, Gaoze deeply integrates processing equipment, robots, AGVs, conveyor lines, automatic detection and identification systems, and the MCS Intelligent Management System, realizing full process automated loading and unloading for shaping process, automatic quality inspection of silicon rods, and digital information management. This automated solution can save labor costs by around 35%, boost overall operational efficiency by about 22%, and substantially improve silicon brick yield. Going forward, Gaoze will keep taking technological innovation as the core driving force, continuously lead the upgrading of silicon ingot shaping technology, and inject strong impetus into cost reduction, efficiency enhancement, and high-quality development of the photovoltaic industry.